trace the lines behind my eyes. In silence find the cracks I hide. Each break a secret confession. Learning to be my own.
box. They are in here. So I bought this stick. I wanna try TikTok content creation, wig influencing. I want to try that. So I bought this so I can use it for content. careful. How does this work? Aibo. Oh. Oh. It's so long. Oh my god. But the one that I bought had like a small light somewhere. Take a lot, guys. My money. Plus this remote. Oh yeah. Comes with the remote, so you can take a picture while it's here. Let me see. Yeah, guys. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Kuni. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna break it. I'll figure it out later how it works. But yeah. But, and then I bought my baby this protective stuff for when she crawls, because I've noticed now she has started crawling, but I don't want her to get hurt. So I bought her something for her head and her knees. Sorry, Baba. Okay. Calm, sis. So this is for the knees, to protect her knees and also help her to like not I don't know, to be able to like move. And then on the other side, guys, my baby has started, she's trying to crawl, but like she's struggling a little bit, but I'm sure she'll, maybe by the end of this week she'll be crawling. She tries. And then this for the head. So that when she falls, she doesn't hurt her head. But Ira, I don't think Ira will. She'll be so frustrated with this. Hi, Papa. You see, even if she falls, it won't hurt her head. Hey guys, let's unbox my wig. I bought a wig on Shein for 351 rand, which is a huge discount. The original price of the wig was 655 excluding customs, so I bought this one for 351 including customs. I'm gonna tell you how, but for now let's unbox. It's a Bob Kelly hair. Ouch. Okay. Oh, it comes with lashes. Cute lashes. Okay, this is the hair, you guys, and then it comes with two wig caps. It's a 10-inch. Ooh, guys, it's a glueless wig. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that line. Look at that. Look at that lace. She in. Such a cute bob, guys. It's a, oh, I'm gonna like customize it. No, it's already, it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so it's just a matter of wearing and just putting a foundation. So I'm gonna show you guys when I've, it's a glueless week. Ouch. I'm just gonna prep it nicely and then I will show you guys when it's done. I like the curls. Oh my God, I like the curls. So I'm gonna show you guys later, some other time when I'm wearing it, how it actually looks when you have like ironed it and laid it down. But I love it. I'm happy. So I'm gonna write in the description box how you can get the same wig, the same exact wig. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please stay. I hope you stay. Please subscribe. My name is Resuna. This is my baby Ira, and this is my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is our YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see, my baby and I are looking cute. We are going. Oh, she's sleepy, guys. Yo, I'm having such I don't know, a hard time. I've been trying to get ready. The baby is crying, but I'm about to go on a date, on a mommy date with Sino. You'll see her, guys. You've probably seen her in my videos. So we are going on a mommy date. We're going on a mommy date. Ira. She's sleepy, guys. She's sleepy and hungry. I need to quickly feed her. Yo, guys, being a mom, it's so hard, son. Like, even after looking this good, guys, I look so good, but I have to carry the baby. Now my outfit is like, it's not even visible. I ironed it. Now it's like, it's not ironed. Yo, Sana, I don't know. So hard. It's very hard. Like, I do want to stay at home and not do anything, but also sometimes I just need to go outside and get fresh air, you know, and take cute pictures. It's therapy, guys. Yeah, I think I'm ready now. I'm gonna request.
Trace the lines behind my eyes. In silence find the cracks I hide. Each break a secret confession. Learning to be my own reflection. Tell me where the heart goes when it's broken. Where the light retreats, where words are unspoken. Holding on to ghosts in empty rooms. Searching for my peace beneath the moon. I walk through fire just to feel the warmth. Felt the ache of love that's come and gone. In meditation, I found my center. Peace in every shot, becoming tender. Ooh, let me heal. Ooh, let me breathe. Ooh, I'm learning to believe. In the quiet I receive. Tell me where the heart goes when it explodes, where the light retreats, where words are unspoken. I release the weight of every scar, finding inner peace in who we are. Tell me where a heart goes when it's broken. I find my love, my strength unspoken.
Lager and I don't know what this is, but I wanna try this.
We're not serving any pancakes today. We do have waffles though.
Waffles. Which one is your favorite?
Lotus or strawberry Nutella?
Strawberry style.
With cream or ice cream? With cream or ice cream?
Ice cream.
In silence find the cracks I hide, each break a secret confession. Learning to be my own reflection. Tell me where the heart goes when it's broken, where the light retreats, where words are unspoken, holding on to ghosts in empty rooms, searching for my peace beneath the moon. I walk through fire just to feel the warmth.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. Guys, not me recording a whole video. Kanti is in slow motion. I'm so bored. Okay guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. I think I last saw you guys. Okay, wait, I need to pause the music. iOS music. No, it's fine. I think I last saw you guys yesterday at the mommy date. Yes. So we came back. I didn't record the whole thing of us coming back. We came back to my place and we were chilling, making a lot of TikTok videos, you know. And I was also cleaning because I had left the place in a little bit of a mess, so I needed to clean. So yeah guys, I really enjoyed being outside, like even though it gets messy when you go out with kids, but like it's worth it. I mean, we're just girls and sometimes we just want to be outside. Okay, so today I think I'll be doing a lot of mothering. Yeah, I need to go to the clinic. My baby is 9 months old, guys, now. She's 9 months. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Time is really, really flying. Good thing about private clinics, guys, is that you can go at any time. You don't have to wake up at 5 like I used to. Guys, I should have known like it's cheap to just go to like a pharmacy clinic or something, because it's easier. You don't have to wake up early. You can just go at any time. So I'm so done with that life. I'm done. I think I last went to the public clinic when I was like few months, nyana, like 3 months, before 6 months, yeah. So yeah guys, let me clean now. I'll see you guys later.
Put it on this one.
Like this.
Yes, just let it sit anyway. Get down. 8.25. Yes, and you got pretty bows in your hair. Yes.
She's heavy now.
No wonder, eh? Let's see how tall she is. Oh, you're making yourself taller. Are you making yourself taller, 70? Are you making yourself taller? There we are. Finished. Finished.
She's getting up on your own.
There we are. Okay, so we're going to do, and I must give you some vitamin A. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. And yum 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 yum. Swallow. Swallow it.
Nom 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 nom.
Is it good, dummy?
But it fell down into
What is it?
the pacifier.
He's scared. Yes, daddy's scared. Okay, baby child. Okay, baby child. Okay, baby child. So sorry. See? Papa, papa. Oh, very sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Sorry, Baba. Sorry, my little. Sorry. Oh. Sorry, Bobby. Sorry.
Oh, sorry, baby girl.
Sorry. Shame, man.
Oh. Sorry, baby.
Two teeth. Here we are. It's all over now.
Oh.
And it gets such a fright when you can't say, there's going to be, they don't understand what's going on. Okay. Right. Is Aura banned? She doesn't want to know my troubles. Okay.
Back to activities. Back to activities. She's already back to activities now. That's a waste time.
Okay. She is 9 months. Is that right, eh?
Yes.
9 months. Okay.